Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to restart an iPad in 3 easy ways. First, keep in mind that iPads don't have a direct restart option like Android phones, but there are simple ways to do it. The first method is by pressing and holding the power button and volume up button until the power menu appears. Then just slide to power off and turn it back on again. Now the second method. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Again, slide to power off and turn it back on. Now the third method, using settings. Open settings on your iPad. Then in settings, select general. Once you are inside general, scroll down until you find shutdown and tap on it. Slide to power off, then press the power button to turn it back on. And that's it. These are 3 easy ways to restart your iPad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.